tips for finding reliable drivers, how you train them, and what, without getting into maybe exact numbers, but what type of compensation package do you think supports the best retention of drivers?
Yeah, so finding them, we do all the standard stuff, right? Like the Indeed posting and going across job boards and promoting that and things like that. But where we've seen the most success in sticky drivers that are there for a while, they don't churn quickly, is referrals. Like your good employees are most likely going to refer other good employees. If you have a problem employee, I would take that referral with a grain of salt, but good employees are most likely going to refer other good people. So we've had a lot of success in that. We offer a referral bonus if someone does refer somebody and they stay on for, I think it's 60 days, maybe 2 months, they stay on, we give a referral bonus to the individual that referred them. So that's a big thing for us. As far as training, we do it in kind of a multi-pronged system. Their first day is a lot of stuff like HR administrative onboarding, right? So like getting them set up in our HR system, getting them set up on our timekeeping system, getting all of their profiles set up for everything with the company. It's usually a half day. And then they'll do multiple days on the road. The first day, they're going to be shadowing. So they ride along with one of our senior drivers who's been there for a while. And that senior driver is going to be doing a slightly smaller route so that they can take longer to show them everything. And they're going to teach them how to use the app, how to stage the bag at drop off, how to take photos appropriately, all of those sorts of things. And then they'll switch. And then the new hire will take over the driver's seat with the senior driver sitting in the passenger seat and overseeing them. And they'll go through it that way before they're cleared by that senior driver to go solo on a route.
And then compensation, do you do any sort of bonuses, or what do you find works best to retain good drivers?
Yeah, so we do, we have probably like most markets, we have an Amazon fulfillment center here. So Amazon kind of dictates the market for a lot of the frontline labor. So we're paying in between $15 and $20 an hour, depending on seniority and responsibility. Like, are they training? Are they not training? Things like that. Full-time employees do have access to healthcare. We have a 401k. We don't have matching for it, but we offer a 401k. And there's health, dental, vision for anybody that qualifies as full-time. And then we'll also do bonuses for quality. So if they go, a week without any errors, they didn't drop a bag at the wrong house, or they didn't miss a pickup or anything like that, they get performance-based quality bonuses as well.